Here's a question that might keep you up at night, not because it's scary, but because it's urgent. What separates the people thriving in today's world from the ones falling behind? It's not a fancy degree, it's not who you know. And it's definitely not working harder than everyone else. It's something far more specific. And today, we're going to break it all down. We're talking about AI and, more importantly, the 9 skills around AI that are quietly becoming the most valuable things a person can have right now. These aren't deep tech skills. You don't need to write code or have a computer science background. What you do need is curiosity, a willingness to adapt, in about 13 minutes of your time. So settle in, because by the end of this, you'll have a clear roadmap for where to focus your energy.
Skill number 9, talking to AI the right way. Let's start here. Think about the last time you asked AI for something and got a response that completely missed the point. Frustrating, right? That's not really an AI problem, that's a communication problem. And just like in real life, how you ask a question determines the quality of the answer you get. Think of AI like a genie, but not the kind that magically figures out what you meant. This genie is incredibly powerful, but completely literal. If you wish for $1 million, don't be surprised when a herd of male deer shows up. The same logic applies here. A vague, generic prompt gets you a vague, generic answer. Here's the difference in practice. Instead of typing something like write a blog about dating apps, imagine saying you're an experienced relationship coach. Write a blog post about the 5 biggest advantages of dating apps, specifically for men in their 30s who are re-entering the dating scene after a long relationship. Same topic. Wildly different output. That's the skill. Being precise, adding context, and guiding the AI toward exactly what you need. It takes a little practice, but once it clicks, it changes everything. Skill number 8, building a personal brand with AI. Here's something worth thinking about. In a world where AI can do more and more of the work, what makes you irreplaceable? The answer is you. Your perspective, your story, your brand, and the exciting parts, AI can actually help you build it. Picture your personal brand as a mosaic, dozens of small pieces that, when assembled, create a full picture of who you are and what you stand for. AI-powered tools can help you design every single piece of that mosaic. You can use AI to create a polished visual identity, draft compelling content for social media, generate ideas for articles that showcase your expertise, and even manage your online presence more consistently. Take a freelance graphic designer as an example. They could use AI design tools to put together a portfolio that genuinely stands out, not cookie cutter. Not template looking, but something with a real creative voice. The key here is that AI doesn't replace the human, it amplifies them. And right now, that's a serious edge. Skill number 7, turning data into stories. Numbers don't move people. Stories do. And the ability to take a pile of raw data and translate it into something a real human can understand, feel, and act on. That's one of the most underrated skills in the world right now. Consider an organization fighting the global water crisis. They have mountains of data scarcity, levels, usage patterns, environmental trends, but data alone doesn't inspire donations or drive policy change. An interactive map that makes the crisis feel real, an animated infographic that shows what would happen if we did nothing, a narrative that connects numbers to human lives, that's data storytelling. Or think about a product manager presenting user research to their team. Nobody wants to sit through 40 slides of charts and spreadsheets, but if you can walk into that room with a crisp narrative, here's what our users are struggling with, here's why it matters, and here's what we should do about it. Supported by clean visuals, you become invaluable. This skill bridges the gap between AI's analytical horsepower and the human need for meaning. Skill number 6, creative thinking with AI. Now we get to something really fun. What happens when human creativity meets the raw generative power of AI? Something genuinely new. Something that wasn't possible before. And the people who figure out how to spark that combination are the ones who will define the next decade. Think about an artist using AI to generate visuals that respond to music in real time, or a musician feeding genre patterns into an AI to produce a sound that blends jazz, electronic, and classical in ways no human has tried before. These aren't gimmicks. They're genuinely new art forms. Creative AI thinking is about looking at this technology and asking what's possible that wasn't possible before, instead of just how do I automate what I already do. This mindset applies in business, in education, in healthcare, honestly, in every field. The question is always the same. What can we build now that we couldn't have imagined building 5 years ago? If you're asking that question regularly, you're already ahead. Skill number 5, strategic thinking about AI in business here. That's a mistake a lot of companies make. They adopt AI tools without a plan. They just sprinkle it in here and there, hope something improves, and then wonder why they're not seeing results. Strategy matters. Knowing where AI fits and where it doesn't is a skill in itself. Take a retail company trying to fix its supply chain. Rather than guessing what inventory to stock, they could use AI-driven forecasting to predict demand with real precision, cutting waste, reducing costs, and boosting margins. But that only works if someone at the table actually understands what's needed, where the data comes from, what ethical questions arise, how to train the team, and what the roadmap looks like over the next 2 years. That's strategic AI thinking. If you can walk into any organization and ask the right questions about AI, not just can we use it, but should we, where, and how, you become someone who drives decisions rather than just executes them. Skill number 4, managing AI projects as more organizations roll out AI projects. Someone has to keep everything on track, and that someone doesn't need to write a single line of code. What they do need is the ability to connect technical teams with non-technical stakeholders, manage timelines, anticipate problems, and communicate clearly. Imagine you're overseeing the launch of an AI-powered chatbot for a major airline. On the surface, it sounds simple, but dig in and you've got language barriers too. Consider brand voice to maintain integration with legacy systems and a customer service team that needs to actually trust the tool. Your job is to see all of those moving parts clearly, coordinate the people solving them, and make sure the whole thing lands on time, on budget, and in a way that it actually helps passengers. The demand for people who can do this well is growing fast. And the beautiful thing is, this role is mostly about judgment, communication, and leadership, all very human skills. Skill number 3, understanding how AI reads language. You've probably heard the term natural language processing NLP, and yes, it sounds technical. But here's the thing. You don't need to build these systems to benefit from understanding them. You just need to understand the basics of how AI interprets human language. Why does this matter? Because AI language tools are now baked into everything. Search engines, customer support, social media platforms, hiring systems, a social media manager who understands how sentiment analysis works, for instance, can write better queries, interpret results more accurately, and make smarter decisions about their content strategy. They're not just staring at output and hoping it makes sense. They understand what's happening under the hood, at least conceptually. Even a basic grasp of NLP helps you design better user experiences, spot when AI-generated content feels off, and collaborate more effectively with the people who do build these systems. It's one of those skills that quietly raises your ceiling across almost every role. Skill number 2, staying curious and never stopping learning. Now, here's where things get personal, because this one isn't a technical skill at all. It's a mindset, and it might be the single most important thing on this entire list. The AI landscape changes fast. Tools that didn't exist 6 months ago are now industry standard. Techniques that were cutting edge last year are already outdated. So the real competitive advantage isn't mastering any one specific tool. It's developing the habit of learning continuously, experimenting freely, and staying genuinely curious about what's next. Picture a marketing professional who stumbles across a new AI tool for ad optimization. Instead of skimming a summary and moving on, they dig in, they test it, they break it. They figure out where it actually works and where it falls flat. That kind of hands-on curiosity compounds over time. 6 months later, they're not just using the tool, the person their entire team goes to for advice on it. Curiosity is free. It doesn't require a budget or a certificate. It just requires the decision to stay engaged, and the people who make that decision consistently are the ones who stay ahead. Skill number 1, knowing what AI can't do. We've made it to number 1. And honestly, this is the skill most people overlook completely. Everyone's focused on what AI can do. But the people who truly stand out are the ones who understand what AI can't do and what it sometimes gets dangerously wrong. AI is powerful, but it's not perfect. It can hallucinate facts, reinforce existing biases, make confidently wrong conclusions, and fail entirely in situations it wasn't trained to handle. Understanding this isn't pessimism, it's wisdom. It's what allows you to use AI responsibly instead of blindly. Consider a recruiter using AI to filter hundreds of job applications. On the surface, this sounds like a time saver, and it can be. But if that recruiter doesn't understand that their AI tool might quietly favor certain keywords, educational backgrounds, or demographic patterns, they could be systematically screening out great candidates without ever realizing it. Knowing the limitation is what prevents the harm. The people who understand AI limitations are the ones who catch the errors before they become expensive mistakes. They're the ones who ask the hard questions in meetings. They're the ones who make sure that as we move faster and integrate AI deeper, we do it responsibly. That skill, that judgment cannot be automated, which makes it more valuable than ever. So let's bring this all together. 9 skills, no coding degree required, just a mix of sharp communication, strategic thinking, creative courage, and the self-awareness to know both what AI can do and what it can't. Prompt engineering gets you better results from every tool you use. Personal branding with AI helps you stand out in a crowded world. Data storytelling turns information into impact. Creative AI's thinking opens doors that didn't exist before. Strategic planning ensures AI actually delivers value. Project management keeps it all from falling apart. Understanding language, AI makes you a smarter collaborator. Continuous learning keeps you relevant no matter what changes next. And knowing AI's limits keeps you grounded, ethical, and one step ahead of the mistakes others will make. Here's the honest truth. Most people won't act on any of this. They'll watch, nod along, and go back to business as usual. But you're still here. That already tells me something about you. So don't let this be just another video you consumed and forgot. Pick one skill from this list, just one, and start working on it this week. That's the move. If this was useful, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Hit the like button if you want more content like this. And subscribe because the next video is about something even more mind-bending. How AI is learning to predict what you want before you even ask for it. You'll want to see it.